Hello, my dear students. You are strongly welcome in online classes run by Gardenia Public School. I am Sanjay Pandey, your physical education teacher. So, students, today's topic is media-related career or career in communication media. The communication media, like as TV, radio, newspaper, magazine, etc. The contribution of various career of chances in sports communication. The above mentioned meaning of communication has increased the sports coverage. Cable TV channels such as ESPN, Ten Sports, and Star Sports provide 24 hours coverage of sports and games. The first topic is sports journalism. Physical education who have a talent for writing may opt a career as a sports journalist. The sports journalist may be get chances to work with newspaper and in sports magazine because the space for coverage of sports news as well as the number of newspaper and sports magazine. Sports journalists may write live event and features article about sports person or on various topic about the sports. As a sound background of physical education can be benefit to a sport journalist. He and she can understand the demand and nature of sports. For example, a sports journalist with the knowledge of sport physiology may be better able to explain to the public why some sport person fails to perform under pressure, whereas other sport person give better performances. A sport journalist with the knowledge of exercise physiology may explain better what happened physiological to athletics when they may afford to finish marathon race. No doubt, career chances in sport journalism are very bright and interesting. The next topic is sports photography. In sports photography is another career which can be give a great chances to the person. This career is applicable only to those physical educators who have a interest in photography and a strong desire to communicate to public the true meaning of sports photography. A talent in photography is the opting for such a career like Sports Week, Sports World, Khel Khiladi, and extra. The knowledge of biomechanics can help the sports photographer in getting the best angle for the photograph. The knowledge of sports psychology can be helpful in sports photography in showing the significance of sports in our society. Next topic is book writing. The sports person or another person who wants to make a career in book writing. So, publisher of book on sports and textbook of physical education, its sub-discipline and aligned subjects such as health education and recreation need the pupil who are knowledgeable about the field of physical education. This type of job require a knowledge of physical education, writing, editing, sports skills. Other persons are needed in the sales area, including direct sale, which usually involve traveling throughout the country to sell the books. Writing professionals are highly demanded in various sports and creative territory of human activity. A majority of them are self-employed. Now, next topic is sports broadcasting. The broadcasting industry consists of an extremely wide range of professions, some management to production and technical work. Sport broadcasting is usually associated with reporting and analysis, often in on air or writing role. Some sportscasters work in and the whole, giving play by play opinion and analysis of sports which is broadcast at a particular time. The knowledge of sports enable him of the game because he is regarding by the pupils as an expert of the games which be he is covering. He must be able to speak well and not be inhibited in speaking into the microphone or in the front of the camera. The practical experience can contribute a lot of one's success in getting an entry level position in this career. For the purpose of getting experience, one should try to announce the sports event at college level in the beginning of this career. And also I tell you, salary are good in this career, but it's depend on the level of station, local or national stations. The last topic of sports industry. Career are also available in sports industry. A person who wants a career in sports industry must have the knowledge of physical education and sports. One may establish a sports industry at a small scale. It may be related to only t-shirt or tracksuits. It may be related to only sports footwear. The knowledge of research and design is also the vital from such jobs because new type of sports equipments and new type of tracksuit or swimsuits which are benefit for increasing the performance of a sports. So next topic is Khelo India programs. Khelo India is a national program for development of different sports in India. Government of India initiative its aim to bring improvement in the country's sports. This program has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework all sports played in our country. It is the significant process of India is the field of sports in the last few years. It is the right time for youth to inspire young talent and provide them the top-notch infrastructure and the training of the highest level, and then India realize its dream of become a sports superpower. The first Khelo India school games, which are a part of the Khelo India programs, were held from 31st of Jan to 8 Feb 2018 in New Delhi. The next topic is objective of Khelo India programs. First is playfield development. In the program of Khelo India, many playfields will be developed at various state and district level so that basic facilities may be provided to sports person. The next objective is community coaching development. It involves in skill development and certification system for sports coaching. Its aim is to involve and identify physical education teacher and to train them as master trainers. The third objective is state level Khelo India centers. It involves in supporting better utilization of sports infrastructure in relation to the sport and union territory. The fourth objective is sports for women's. It aims to ensure participation of women in various sports competition, especially where women's participation is less. The next topic is fifth objective is talent search and development. The selection of the prize winners for the scheme a talent identification committee is instituted to spot and identify talent with the help of globally accepted scientific methods. Next is utilization and creation upgradation of sports infrastructure. Its aim at developing sports infrastructure at school and universities which have high sports potential, and care would be taken to ensure optimum utilization of these resources. The seventh objective is support to national and regional state sports academy. Its aim to provide resources for expanding long-term athlete development programs. The eighth objective is annual sports competition. It is one of the significant components of Khelo India program. Its aim is to provide a good platform for talent sporting and a way for talented children to achieve excellence in sports. The ninth objective is physical fitness of school children. And efforts of physical fitness will be made to encourage in increasing penetration of sports in the physical education curriculum. A lot of physical activities will be developed under the scheme of measure the children's level. The second level objective is promotion of sports among persons with disabilities. Financially, assistance will be provided to state and union territories as well as the Sport Authority of India for the creation of specialist sports infrastructure for the disability person. The last is promotion of rural and tribal games. Annual sport competition will be organized to showcase Indian rural and timber games alternately.